From CPA Grip, I have managed to make $44.5 US. From CPA Grip, I managed to make this little amount of money, and I want to show you how this is being done here. My name is Sheidero. If you are very new to my YouTube channel, I want to say a big congratulations, because here in this my channel, I usually give people practical steps on how you can also make money online. It may not be much amount of money, it may be just little amount of money, but if you know your way around this, you can make bigger amount of money. Well, with this I just show you guys, it may be very small amount of money, especially if you are from USA, UK. This may probably be a little amount of money, but if you have some study part of the country here like Nigeria, this is a bigger amount of money for you guys. So I want to show you guys what you can also do to make this amount of money, at least little amount of money online. I want to show you today using some step-by-step guide for you. But before I go on this, please, I want you to if you're very new to my YouTube channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button, give me a like on this video, and drop a comment. I want you to drop this kind of comment before I go. Please, to help this video to be optimized well, drop it as CPA Marketing. Just drop it in the comment box, CPA Marketing. It will actually help this video to be optimized well and rank well, so that other people will also benefit from this. So without further ado, guys, I want to show you how I managed to get this amount of money now. So let's go, guys. So the first thing to do is for you to open your account with CPA Grip. CPA is one of the cost per action network program whereby you can able to make money online doing one or two things. So I want to show you how I managed to make money using this website now. So I will drop link to this in the description box or comment box. So when you click on it, it should take you to this place now. So probably it should take you to this place. Then now click on register button here. Click on register button. So when click on register, you see sign up now. Now fill in your details here. Fill in your details: name, email, last name. Last name is your surname. Okay, first name, last name, which is your surname. Then password, company, confirm password, website. Company and website is not compulsory, as you can see. Street address, choose a time zone, your country. This is showing Nigeria because of my IP, so by default Nigeria. Probably if you are filling this one from your own country, you should see your own country here, and there's option to change it, but Nigeria is okay for me here. So city and state or region, postal code or zip code, phone number, Skype. You have to put your Skype name here. If you don't have Skype account, you have to go and put it, create account with Skype. Then you tick this, then register. So I want to quickly put random information here, data. It might not be correct one. Just I want to put it just to train you guys. So let me quickly put something here now. So I have started filling this in now, so you can see what I put here now. The time zone, I want to show you. If you're from Nigeria here, the time zone, let's see. I'm scrolling down to see Nigeria time zone here. Okay, look at it now. GMT +1, West Central Africa. This is for Nigeria. Then street address, I'll put random one here. So while filling this one out, the state I put reverse. So postal code now. Probably if you're filling this, then you may not know your postal code. So let me quickly show you. I will come here now and search for it. You see what I put here, and I say Port Harcourt postal code, and see the result now. I don't want to waste time. You can, yes, this postcode.com.ng will actually give you the right one, but I don't want to waste time. Let me quickly copy this. But you can fill the correct one using that method I just give you now. All right, next thing to do now is to click on register now. So let me see if this will actually work. Oh, great. So I'm able to register now. Look at it, great. So next thing, to confirm my account, I need to go and check my email. Probably they will send me email. So let me go and check. They will send me just to activate my account. Let me go and check. So look at it now. They've sent me email. Your account has been approved. Please use the link below to validate your email address. So I need to click this one to validate it. So look at it now, publisher email validation. So it's successful now. So I have validated the email now. So I'll click here now, return to publisher dashboard. All right, so we cannot go to the business of the day now. Your tax document, all this one you can be doing it later, but I just want to show you how I'm able to make the money. So using this new account now, what the next thing to do now is to come here. Look at this place now. This is offer tools. So I'll click on offer tools. I'll come to my offers. So the next thing to do now is to change the country. This is Nigeria by default, so I'll change it to let's say United Kingdom or USA. So this top tier country will actually help you to make money very 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 fast. So is that USA or UK? Well, let me, okay, this is United Kingdom, so let me pick, yes, United Kingdom. Now it's giving me some category of what I can do to make money using United Kingdom. Now let's filter out the category. Now that's the next thing. So I'll click on alter category. I'll now click on email slash zip summit. So this is the one I want to use to make money now. Email slash zip summit. So let me click on this one now. It's to still filter it out and give us result now. Fine, look at it now. So we have to use this now to make money. We have how many available now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll use one of this one now to train you. So look at this one now. So look at this now. So let me use this first one now to train you on how to do it. So let me click on it down so that I can see. Now spend 1,000 euro towards iPhone 15 Pro Max now. Get your rewards after you fill in your information. So like this one, what they need is for someone that will actually input their details there. What would we pick? Say, was it okay? Email slash zip. Okay, email slash zip summit. So that's what we need now to make money from this now. So we are using this one now. Want to do promotion for this now? How are we going to do this one to make money now? So that's the next thing I want to train you about. So we need people from this country now, United Kingdom, people from UK. That is where we need the lead from UK. So how are we going to do it now? What to do now is to go to Google. Now this is Google, right? So you will search for one keyword I want you to type now, which is okay, look at it now. Classified ads. Now, when I type classified ads, look at what is giving me. Classified ads website in USA, in Nigeria, many UK. So I want to pick this UK one. You can use this classifier for any country, but I want to use this one for UK now because of what I want to promote now. So I'll click on this UK one now. Now look at what I'm getting from here now. Gumtree, freehours.co.uk. So they are giving us different classifiers. It depends on the one you can master and understand very well. So all these are what you can use to do your promotion based on this thing we want to promote now. All right. So I'll use one of them now. One of those results we got now. I will use it now to train you, which is this one now. I'll use this one, freehours.co.uk now. So I'll click on this one at freehours.co.uk. They are free ads, place free adverts. So you don't need to pay money to do promotion for this now. It's just free, just for you to know how to run your package online. So let's see now. All right. So this is the homepage of freehours.co.uk, the sample of people that have been running adverts just like what we want to do now. People that have been doing it, using it to make money. Look at it now. Welcome to Free Ads. You see now, find 75,541 classified ads near you online today. You can see now. Look at people that have been running adverts here. So this is what we want to do now. Similarly, we want to do also to do promotion for this thing now. Why we use it to make money freely. Okay, look at it now. Maybe you don't know the potential you have with this classified ads. Maybe let me copy this so that we can use these tools to know monthly visit on this, and if possible the top tier countries that visit this website on a monthly basis. Let me just show you the analysis now using similar web now to check analysis on this website. Now we can see that let me see. Okay, now look at it now. Monthly visit, they have 3.6 million people that visit this website on a monthly basis. 3.6 million people visited. Now let's see top country that visit this website. The first one is UK, United Kingdom. That's 94.38%. Almost you can imagine 94.38% of people visit this place from United Kingdom, followed by United States, India, Bangladesh, and so on. So I think this is a great place for us to do promotion, right? So that's what I want to prove for you guys. So I think we can go further now. So click on post ad. So when click down, you see where we are now, and from here now you will click on this community. You click on this community, right? Let me click on community. So when click community, the next thing now is to click this one now. This is offers and competitions. Offers and competitions. All right, before we are able to get to this place now. So our title, write a catchy title describing what you are advertising, right? 75 characters max. So the title now, you don't need to be struggling to get titles. So let's go straight to that thing we are promoting. So this is the title, right? So let me just copy this one. So I think we are done with the title now. Now the description, please don't enter your phone number, website, email here. You can do this later. Don't worry, we will still put it here. So there was a way we are going to put it, right? So please please write your description here, not less than 25 words. So description, now let's go back to this thing we are promoting. So get your rewards after you fill in your information, but this one you have to know how to edit this one in order to be enticing, like to be attractive for people. Like this one now, you have to edit this one, like you have to brainstorm based on this information given you now. Get your reward after you fill in your information. You can see, you can put figure there. Get reward of, you can put maybe 700 pounds or maybe whatever. You can just put a figure there that will actually give people impression to take action based on what you are trying to do here, right? So I just leave this one here, but you can edit it anyhow you want. So look at the information given us from this thing we are trying to promote. And they say this offer is only allowed on Apple iOS and United Kingdom. So we want people that are using iOS only to apply. So we can put the information there also. This is strictly for iOS user, so you can put your information there, like strictly for iOS user, right? iOS user only. Then let me put the link. So I don't want to, this is the link, right? So I don't want to put the link there directly. We have to short the link using, so I'm using tiny URL to shorten this link. So I'll paste the link here now. Then with the help of tiny URL, this is optional, but let me click shorten URL. Let's see. All right, so it has been shorten for us now. So I'll just copy this one. So this is the one I'll put here now. So this is the one I'll put here now. If you still have more information, you can also include it to this one. So without wasting time now, guys, so I have to continue using my Google account, Facebook, Apple, or I'll put information here. So let me put information here, email, phone number, then I'll continue now. So I'll put the email, then the phone number. I need to use phone number, UK phone number. So what I will do is I will use one of these temporary phone number online. So that's what I will use now. So I go to this website, that's temp number. You can go to Google, just type temporary or temp number, just type temp number. Once you type temp number on Google, you will see different results, different websites. So out of the website, that's where I got this one. Then I click on this, receive SMS from around the world, UK. So I click on this UK, and boom, I got this one now. So this is the phone number I can use now. So I'll copy this now. So I copied this number now, copied. Great. Then come back here while I paste the number, then tick. Please notify me when I get responses. And okay, it's ticked already. Now location, enter your postal code. So postal code in UK now. Let me just go to Google and search for it again. So I search for UK postal code, United Kingdom postal codes. So let me open this one. Postal code, maybe this one. Let me check this one, if this one will work. All right, then next, processing. Great. Now next thing, now they say add up to 10 photos, maximum of 20 megabyte per image size. So 10, how many? 20. Okay, 10 photos now. So that's what I want to search for now. So what are we promoting? So we are doing promotion based on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let me just I go to Google, and I search for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now I will click on images. So I will use this image now, then I will save it. Then let me still look for another one. Save it. So you can save as many as possible. If possible, you can edit. I don't want to waste time on this. That's why I'm just showing you alternative way of doing that. Now let me go back to this and upload one or two. All right, I just upload two now. I'll upload two, then I'll click on next. I should upload like up to 10. It's allowed, but I just upload like two. So next, I will click on skip, maybe later. Oh, look at it now. Say thanks for posting. Your ads will be live shortly. So look at it now. All right, so now you can still repeat the same thing using other methods here. I think the one we just post advert on is this one. You can also use this Gumtree. You can use classify ads here. You can use many other ones here available. You can use it. Look, based on the information available now, you can do promotion about this there and sit back, be watching your account growing. You will be making steady amount of money. It may be very small because this is $2.22, right? So little amount of money like this, that's how you'll be making it, and before you see, your revenue will actually be changing for good. So this is not the only method we are using to do promotion for CPA marketing online. No, there are many methods we're using, but for this video I'm showing you another means, because in this video I want you to learn, and you have learned a new way of making money doing CPA marketing online. I will not stop it here. I'll keep making more video for you guys to be benefiting. Try things online and make your little amount of money to support yourself, support your needs. Please do not forget to drop it in the comment box, CPA Marketing. Drop your comment and also add CPA Marketing in your comment. I'll be happy to receive this from you guys. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a like on this video. Now, do you have interest in learning how to import from Philippines? Go and watch this video. Do you have interest about some apps that can actually help you to make money online? Go and watch this video. Do you need help with your business? You need financial support with your business, you don't know? So I have some videos about it. Go and watch it here, and this is a new video for you guys. I love you guys. I am Sheyi Dairo. Bye for now.